Welcome to our quick guide on changing your email on Twitch. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Twitch account. Enter your username and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down to the account settings section and find the email settings option. Click on the Change Email button. A pop-up will appear for verification. Enter your new email, confirm it, and hit Submit. Check your inbox for a confirmation email to finalize the change. Congratulations! Your email has been updated. You're all set to enjoy your Twitch experience. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings or consult Twitch support for help. Remember, keeping your email updated is crucial for account security and communication. Enjoy streaming and stay connected with your gaming community. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Join us next time for more tutorials on enhancing your Twitch experience.